All right, how to make your flowers last longer. Well, the first thing you need to do is when you get your flowers is you get to bring them home and condition them. And that just means cut off about 1/2 inch from the base at a 45-degree angle. But like this one's already been sitting in water, so we need to go above the dead part and cut at a 45-degree angle. So that's the first thing we do, and we look for stems and stuff that are dead and wilted, and we'll pull them off of the older flowers. And the newer flowers may have that also, so remove those on the flowers. So next, you're gonna need to get some fresh water and put it in a vase. And also, it needs to be about 110 degrees, okay? That's called warm water. Warm water, I'm sure you can figure that out. And you'll need warm water because flowers have a hard time absorbing water, cold water. So warm water is best, more natural for them to absorb the water. Now the next part is you're going to have to get an aspirin, because if you don't get the packet, if you go to a florist or wherever and they don't give you that packet to preserve the flowers, you're going to still need to know how to make this solution, because that packet's going to wear out in about 3 or 4 days, and you're going to need to change out your water and put fresh in there, and you're not going to have a packet. So this is your DIY packet, how to make it. You're going to get some aspirin. I have low dose here, or you can use regular big aspirin. Just cut that in half and chop it up. And that's what I did. I used a butter knife here and just chopped it up. And then I add it to the water, okay? Then you're going to put a teaspoon of sugar into the vase. You'll add that in there and you'll stir it up, okay? The reason why you're using the aspirin is going to help the flower to absorb water, and the sugar is going to nourish the flower. So they both work in conjunction together to help the flower live longer, okay? So then you get that done, drop your flower in there. Look how pretty that is. And it's going to last a lot longer than if you didn't take care of it. Maybe a week, maybe 2. Works for me. Good luck. God bless.